Nothing to hold, nothing to chase, just this moment, just this space. No past wait, no future race, just air moving face to face. I was searching everywhere, never knew it was right here. Every answer I would seek was in the breath I didn't keep. Slow it down, feel it move in and out. Nothing to prove, every cycle pulls me through. Breath is the gate, open and wait. No need to force it, no need to chase. Inhale the now, exhale the doubt. Everything clears when I let it out. Breath is the gate, simple and straight. Always been here, never too late. No need to fight, no need to take. Everything shifts with each breath I make. Every storm begins to slow when I stop and let it flow. Every thought that used to lead falls away when I don't feed. No resistance, no control, just awareness taking hold. What I am is not the wave, I'm the space that rises in and fades. In the breath I arrive, in the breath I'm alive. Nothing else I need to drive. Breath is the gate, open and wait. No need to force it, no need to chase. Inhale the now, exhale the doubt. Everything clears when I let it out. Breath is the gate, simple and straight. Always been here, never too late. No need to fight, no need to take. Everything shifts with each breath I make. That's it. Breath I take.